Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about the BMC M1 Mini Auto CPAP machine. The BMC M1 Mini is BMC's very first travel CPAP machine. It's fully automatic like the bedside machines, and you can carry it pretty much everywhere you go. The great thing about the M1 Mini is that it's a very light CPAP machine, weighing about 400 grams, which means you can carry it around with no issues at all. Unlike bedside CPAP machines, the M1 Mini doesn't use water for its humidification. Instead, it has moisture capture technology to allow for a waterless humidification system. The M1 is operated by a smart device app that you can install on your smart device called LightTrip. Once installed, you can fully operate the M1 travel machine through this smart device app. There's the power button here. You can also change your settings, and you can also check out your sleep data reports for the night you just had. Another great thing about the M1 Mini is that it is incredibly quiet, even quieter than other bedside machines. About the size of a phone, light in weight, the M1 Mini is a great little travel machine that you can take when you're traveling overseas, going camping, and you can even use it as your bedside machine if you choose to. Thank you for watching this video today, and I hope it's been a great help. Make sure to subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.